whenever it was worst anyway, not only was the hip hurting like hell, but you know how a long time ago I pulled a muscle about here, but I can't remember which side it was on.
Yep.
And I'm not sure that it's always aches on the same side. But it was aching here as well as it aching the other day, a couple of days ago, but it's not now.
Did it feel better after your washing soda bath?
Look, now if you lie in a bath of Epsom salts, is Epsom salts washing soda?
No, they're different things. Epsom salts is magnesium,
Anyway,
washing soda is sodium something.
they both do much the same.
No, magnesium works on the muscles, so Epsom salts works on the muscles. Washing soda pulls the fluid out of the joints.
What does Epsom salts do?
Relaxes muscles.
What?
So both of them are correct for bursitis because the muscles will be tight because of the pain in the area. But what happens with bursitis is that fluid builds up in the little hole in the bursa. So therefore, because there's more fluid in the bursa, it's pushing on the nerves. So by using washing soda, you're pulling fluid out of the joint, out of the bursa, so that you don't push on the nerves as much.
Okay, which would do more good?
I'd alternate.
Oh, okay.
If you have time to have baths, then I would get in there and I would alternate.
I discovered that obviously I either lost the Epsom salts I had at home, or it was so hard to find at Coles that I bought 4 packets or something.
Cool. Good. So you've got some now?
Not the washing soda, but I don't think that'll be a problem.
Yeah.
Provided I can actually get up and down all the aisles of Coles, because half of them are dead ends.
We've got some here. Anyway, we'll go round to part 2 in a sec. We'll flip her over and we'll back for part 2 for the bursa.